Hi everyone, my name is Abdurrahman Abdullahi and welcome back to the channel. Today we are tackling DOM or Document Objective Model, whether you are complete beginner or seasoned developer. Understanding DOM is crucial for building interactive web experience. So let's begin quickly and easily in under 5 minutes. Imagine a web page as a big tree structure. The DOM is like a map of the this tree, where each element on the page is a node. The root node is the entire document, with branches representing sections, like head and body. Leaves on these branches are individual HTML elements, like heading, paragraph, and buttons. This structure allows us to target and manipulate specific part of the web page. For beginners, DOM manipulation can be as simple as getting elements. We can use JavaScript document.getElementById to target elements with a unique ID attribute, or document.querySelector for elements based on HTML tag or classes. Once you have an element, you can change its content within your HTML. This is JavaScript code example, which is beginner friendly. First line declares a variable named myButton. Then find its specific element using document.getElementById. It tells the browser to look for an element on the page with a unique identifier called myButton. The next line uses myButton variable we created earlier. Imagine you found the element in the web page, the button. Now you are changing what's written on it. The button is text. .in HTML refers to the content inside HTML element. The button is text in this case. Click me. This is new text we wanted to display on the button. For advanced viewers, DOM manipulation goes beyond on the basic edits. You can create new elements, remove existing ones, and dynamically update content based on user interactions. Techniques like event listeners allow you to respond to clicks, scrolls, and form submissions. Additionally, the DOM API offers powerful methods transversing the tree structure, finding a specific element based on complex criteria, and managing element relationships. This JavaScript code example is more advanced than the first example. First line creates new paragraph element using document.createElement. Second line writes content to the paragraph we created earlier. Third line appends the new paragraph to the body using append-child. Last example. This example gets button element using getElementById and adds click event listener to the button. DOM manipulation is vast topic. This video just scratched the surface. As you progress, explore libraries like jQuery that simplify DOM interaction, and frameworks like React offers virtual DOM for efficient updates. It for our crash course on DOM. I hope this video gave you solid foundation, no matter your experience level. If you have any question, leave them in the comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more web development.